Before we get started, does anyone want to get out?
Caden literally just got here. Wow, that's overexposed. And Ethan's pulling up. Well, I was just filming Caden getting here, and then you decided to pull up. If you guys just
500 IQ strat. I didn't bring mine, I'm sorry.
Give yourself some credit, please.
I'm in another meme. Oh, I've seen that. I don't know how I've seen that, but I've seen that. Somebody else, maybe Steven showed me before, I don't know.
Minecraft is invulnerable.
I don't go looking for
I
this stuff.
install wholesome mods.
Hey, Ethan.
Hello there.
Hello. What's up?
I was wondering why it wasn't going backwards because it was a neutral. Oh, that's why it's not going backwards.
Bruh, look at this dude.
Another one?
Another one.
Party can start.
Guys, I'm bringing the party to you.
A couple hours out of being out of high school, and this is fucking. No, I'm used to playing college.
Let's face it, this is not the worst thing you've caught me doing.
I got it for my birthday. My parents gave me like $50. Just like bought it. So I'm breaking. Oh my gosh. I'm breaking dirt with somebody.
Aiden, I'm gonna put this on YouTube. Some epic gameplay.
Don't show them that I was breaking dirt with them.
It's some epic gameplay.
Epic gameplay.
Epic gameplay.
Epic victories. That's Minecraft, Fortnite, or Battle Royale.
A few moments later.
We have a Hulk.
Perfection. So skinny Thanos snaps his fingers, wishes for like a sandwich.
That's not how the Force works.
Nice.
Nice.
Actually, save some of those for Christian. There's two bads. Christian loved those.
How did you find these?
Oh yeah.
I am inevitable! I am Iron Man.
We're doing
Fortnite.
As based off of...
Endgame.
Okay, so who's gonna be, who's Thor?
Yes!
I know!
No! I don't want to be the little kid. I'm always the little
Be my
kid.
daughter.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
We need,
Batman is playing Galaga. Thought we wouldn't notice, but we did.
Don't do anything stupid until I get back.
How can I? Taking all the stupid with you.
You people are so petty and tiny.
Is this not your natural state?
Would you please not do anything awful for 5 seconds?
You're pregnant.
We've got Fat Thor.
The world has gotten even stranger than you already know.
This is every year for us, okay? We're completely used to this.
At this point, I doubt anything would surprise me.
You're just jealous you didn't win the Super Bowl.
You know why I'm going to get the pizzas?
No?
Because I'm Bat-Dad.
Alright.
You like jazz?
Oh, except there's bees. Something really stupid. That's what it comes down to.
There is no version of this where you come out on top.
Party.
Maybe it's just going all around. All of our neighbors are gonna be like, why is there this weird guy riding around on a bike?
What are you doing in my
Security breach.
2 hours later.
You're hiding.
Oh, you think darkness is your ally? You merely adopted the dark. I was born in it.
Kevin for a minute.
That's racist.
It's not racist, they're both Mexican. Oh yeah, that was racist.
Neither of them.
Oh, that was racist.
What happened to your hand, Ethan?
I ate it.
He did it.
Yeah,
Did it?
I'm sorry, I got really hungry.
magic.
I mean,
Run.
No, look out for the bees, bro. You gotta go upstairs and get one. You fat little runt.
Adam, son of Arden!
Sometimes you gotta run before you can walk.
Aiden's cheating. He's got a flashlight.
Bruh.
Yeah, you know it's best. Drops in my eye, country roads, take me home to the place. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country roads. Guys,
Why would y'all take your shoes off over here?
That's not good over there.
I belong West Virginia. Mountain Mama, take me home, country roads.
I make breakfast. You guys eat that sort of thing.
So guys, what's the agenda for today? I need Zach to play Hitler.
Wait. You know what you're doing?
Yeah. I've knocked that Adolf Hitler over 200 times.
I gotta say, it's hard to get a read on you.
So, this all seems horrible.
Who is Hitler?
This mortal form has grown weak.
It's a yarmulke.
I want one.
No.
Look at that.
As of right now, we are at war.
Big man in a suit of armor. Take that off. What are you?
Genius, billionaire, playboy, philanthropist.
I don't want to go over the fence.
Not a great plan.
Like, I'm not even in the neighborhood anymore. I'm gone.
Yeah, I can fly.
When I say...
One eternity later.
And again, I'm pointing in this way.
Pizza time. Hello there.
You sound pretty sprightly for a dead guy.
Hey, all right, good job, guys. Let's just not come in tomorrow. Let's just take a day.